Hi guys, I'm Error Slayer and today, I'll show you how to convert Python code into a PDF file. The first step is to open the directory where your Python script is located. If you don't know where your Python code is on your computer and you're using PyCharm, right-click on your project name in the top left corner and select Copy Path. Then click on the line that starts with absolute path. Now you can find your Python script by pasting the directory you copied into the directory of any file. In this step, right-click on the Python file you want to convert to PDF, hover your mouse cursor over Open With, and select Google Chrome. If Google Chrome doesn't appear here, you can click Choose Another App and select Google Chrome. As you can see, my Python code opened in the Google Chrome web page. Now, right-click anywhere on the page and select Print. First, make sure the destination option is set to save as PDF. You can then customize settings like layout and margin to your liking. Click the Save button when everything is ready. Then, choose where to save the PDF file and click Save again. As you can see, the Python script has been successfully converted to a PDF file. I hope this step-by-step guide on how to convert Python code into a PDF file has been helpful. If so, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.